What's up? This is Gray Souls with my tutorial on how I rug pull. So, I rug pull on pump.fun using market manipulation. What this means is I try and create a project that looks really good and really bullish, and then once people start buying in, I'll eventually sell. So, the main way I go about this is I first hop on DAX Screener 24 hours. So, what this allows me to do is I can see all the best performing meme coins in the last 24 hours. So, essentially, it's the most trending meme coins in the last day. This means if I find like a common narrative throughout all of these coins, that's the current trend. So then I would just need to ride off that trend and create my new coin about it. So for example, when Trump announced his new VP, there was a lot of JD Vance coins going around. Like that was a very strong meta. So if you have a strong enough meta, it takes a lot less work. So for example, right now I'm seeing some make Bitcoin great again, Hawk Toshi, so some like Hawk Tua stuff, some MAGA stuff, some Diddy stuff. So you could really pick anyone, anything you think funny, and just make a meme coin off of that. All right. So now I'm gonna explain the difference between a good volume bot and a bad volume bot. So a good volume bot, such as one of these, essentially what it allows you to do is you can trade from over 50 different wallets from a single wallet. So what this means is if I'm a developer of a project and I buy 80% of the supply with one wallet, all the investors are going to notice that and no one's going to buy my coin because they know I'm going to rug it. But with the volume bot, you can divide your Solana into 50 different wallets and buy 80% from all those 50 different wallets, 80% of the supply from all those different wallets. And what this means is when investors are looking at your coin, they'll be like, instead of, oh, only one person holds all the supply, I'm not going to buy it, they'll be like, oh, 50 people hold all the supply. It's very spread out and that's bullish. All right. So just for context, if you can tell, go in the trades, this is what a fake volume bot looks like. You see this? This same wallet popping up again and again and again. This is just the same wallet buying and selling. So anyone can go down here, see that it's the same wallet selling, and no one will buy this coin. No one will fall for this rug. Whereas we can go over here to one of my old projects. You can tell it's mine because yeah, I'm just signed into the same account that I made it on. But look, this is where we rugged, and you can't tell it's all the same person. These look like all different people, but in reality, it was just me selling on my volume bot. So yeah, that's why you need to use a high quality volume bot. All right, and the next part of the pump is you need to be active in the Telegram server. So communities live and die by the Telegram server. So without a Telegram server, your coin's community has nothing. To bypass this, since I'm only one person, I normally hire a raid team, and what I do is I get like 3 or 4 people, some people to be developers with me, and some people to pretend to be part of the community. And what they'll do is they will just be very active, spamming in chat, spamming bullish things, making everyone think there's a lot of bullish people inside the Telegram, and that's just a very bullish sign. So it looks like makes the community look strong and makes more people join in, and it just keeps building in on itself. All right. Now, normally when I rug, I can with this method you can go up to around 15,000. If you would like to use larger amounts of money, there's another method called Instant King of the Hill. So on pump.fun, King of the Hill is the coin that's in the middle of the screen. So it's basically the coin that's trending the most at any given moment. So an important thing to know is that the majority of coins on King of the Hill are rugs because it's incredibly easy to get it on King of the Hill. What you need to do is you need to buy upwards of $15,000 using the volume bot of your coin and push it up to a certain market cap to hit King of the Hill. Essentially, once it hits King of the Hill, it's in the center of the screen for everyone on pump.fun. So it's right here in the middle for everyone. And what this means is everyone's going to see your coin. More people are going to see your coin and more people are going to buy it, especially if it's following the current narrative. So this method is the ideal strategy, but it costs a lot more money. The benefits are that all you profit more and the rugs take a lot less time. They almost become automatic. So just let me go over the volume bot really quick. So you see these numbers on the side? What this means is you press the number and it will send you to that menu. So first, what I always do is I go to wallets and then go to generate wallets. Normally 30 is a good amount. And look, just like that, all the wallets are created. And then if I were to actually rug, I would go to transfer, send Solana to volume bots. Yeah, you get it. I'm just pressing 0 because it's demonstration purposes. And then this is when it gets good. So you go to buy modes and you always want to warm up your bot because on pump.fun, what anyone can do is click here, click on the latest trades, and a lot of people do this, and click on this. And look, you can see coins held, nothing. This guy holds 0 coins. This is a fresh wallet. This is not a real wallet. We can even look on SoulScan. So if I was an investor wanting to invest in this coin, and I just clicked on this, I know this wallet's fake. I'm not going to invest in the coin because this isn't a real wallet. And essentially, how to bypass this is you need to use the warm up mode on the volume bot. What the warm up mode does is it buys and sells a random token on pump.fun and it just holds a small amount. So if an investor were to click on one of your volume bot wallets, it would look real. So after you use the warm up mode, you want to use it 3 times. Then you just use human mode. So what you do with human mode is you set a minimum buy amount and a maximum buy amount, and then a minimum time interval and a maximum time interval. So most of the time I'll do 1 second to 5 seconds, and then zero point 0.5 to 2.5 Solana per for the minimum buy. And what it does is it picks a random time interval or random amount of Solana, and it just buys that amount. So that way it's not buying and selling the same amount every time. It looks like it's real volume and it's not a bot. So once I bought the coin and I've been in the Telegram, everything's looking good. After that, this is where you rug it all. So price is at a good point. There's 2 options. You can either one farm it. So if you think this is a very strong community, you can just sell over time. So this way, as the price tries to go up, you just keep selling, keeping it low, and eventually until you sell everything. The other method is you can if you wanted to do that method, you would just use single wallet sell and single at a time. But what I normally do is you just press 1 and sell all. What this does is it rugs everything, sells everything that you have, and your earnings are returned to the wallet automatically. So yeah, that's my method on rugging. Let me know if you have any questions or if there's anything confusing. Yeah.